Here's how to use Browse AI. Enter the URL you'd like to scrape, and then start training your robot to work for you. Select the list of items you'd like to extract, and you'll be shown a suggested dataset. Review it and approve it. You can send your data to other apps, like Google Sheets, Airtable, and using Zapier, you can connect to thousands of other apps. And we've got even more integrations. Add a monitor to your robot to check the website on a schedule of your choosing. And you can choose to be notified by email if there's a change detected in captured text. One robot can even have multiple monitors. Bulk run a task by uploading a CSV of URLs, and Browse AI will scrape each of them for you. Perform deep scraping by chaining two robots together. The first gets the list of items, and the second scrapes each item's detail page. Pre-built robots are ready to go. We've done the setup work for you. Fill in a bit of info and you're ready to start extracting. So what are you waiting for? Get scraping with Browse AI.